In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 4K quality with Nano Banana 2. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few helpful tips so your results look crisp and consistent. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google AI Studio. From the search results, open the official Google AI Studio page. This brings you to the workspace where you'll configure the model and generation settings. Inside the studio, look for Nano Banana Pro and open it. From there, select Nano Banana 2. This is the version that supports 4K output. Keep in mind that Nano Banana 2 is only available on the paid tier. You'll need an active paid plan, and your account must have a valid, linked API key before you generate. If you're not on the paid plan or your key isn't linked, 4K won't be available and runs may fail, so it's best to confirm that setup now to avoid interruptions. Next, open the resolution control. By default, you may see it set to 1K. Change that from 1K to 4K by selecting the 4K option. Higher resolution produces sharper images but also uses more credits and may take longer to process. If your project has strict limits, consider tracking usage so you don't run into caps mid-session. Now it's time to type your prompt. Be as specific as possible about what you want. Clear subject descriptions, the desired style, lighting, and any important details help the model render at 4K with fewer retries. If there's a particular mood or color palette you're aiming for, include that in plain language. Short, vague prompts can still work, but detailed prompts tend to deliver more accurate 4K results without extra tweaking. When your prompt is ready, click Run. The system will queue your request and begin generating at 4K. Because of the higher resolution, rendering can take a bit longer than lower settings, so give it a moment to finish. If you see any warnings about access, usage, or limits at this stage, that usually points back to the paid plan or API key linkage. Resolving those account details will restore 4K access. That's all there is to it. Open Google AI Studio, choose Nano Banana Pro, switch to Nano Banana 2, set resolution to 4K, enter a clear prompt, and click Run. Follow these steps and you'll consistently produce high-quality 4K outputs with Nano Banana 2. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating in true 4K.